Here we're going to have some good practice of product rule. So this is my first problems I'm going to solve using product rule. And here my function is actually, suppose my function y is 3x squared times x minus 1. This is my function, and the question is saying I have to use product rule, right? So to use product rule, as we had defined, if we have the function u and v in the dot form, I mean if they are multiplying one each other, then how to find the derivative of this with respect to something like with respect to x? Then it is actually, first what we have to do, let me shift it, write first function, then derivative of the second function, and again write second function and derivative of the first function. So this is my first function here, this is my second function. So write first function, then derivative of the second function, again write second function, then derivative of the first function. Just keep this thing in your mind and let's start solving the problem. So here I will imagine, right here I'm going to imagine this thing as a u and this thing as a v. Alright, so these are two functions, and let's find out the derivative of this now. So derivative of y with respect to x is actually, now as I told, first function. First let me write this first function, 3x squared, right? 3x squared times the derivative of the second function, derivative of second function with respect to x. I finished my first part. Now I'm going for the second part, right? And my second part is write first second function, that I need to write this x minus 1 first, and then derivative of the first function. I need to find out the derivative of first function with respect to it's 3x squared, right? Square and 3, okay, 3x squared. So let's now solve it. 3x squared, it's 3x squared here. Now derivative of x minus 1. So here you can use the sum rule. First let's find out derivative of x, then derivative of 1. Derivative of x, actually it is dx by dx, right? Right here, let dx over dx, and derivative of 1, that is 0, okay, and then plus it is x minus 1 as it is. And now derivative of 3x squared, since 3 is a coefficient, so let me write first this 3 constant coefficient outside, and now derivative of x squared, just I need to find out, and derivative of x squared I had to use the power rule, right? And the power rule is what? Yeah, if you have function x to the power n and you're going to find out derivative with respect to x, then it will be power times, just in the power I need to subtract minus 1. This is my formula. So same thing, power is my 2, so 2 times base whatever I have, like this, and the power will be reduced by 1, that is 2 minus 1. I think little bit bad it is, okay, 2 minus 1. So now let's arrange this properly. So it is 3x squared, alright, this and this will cancel up, so you'll get 1 minus 0, that is 1, I don't have to write further, plus now x minus 1, this is 3 times 2, this is 2 actually, right? 3 times 2, that is 6, right? 6x, because x to the power 2 minus 1, this will be simply x here, right? So 6x I write, and this is actually x minus 1, and it is now 3x squared plus now 6x plus x, you'll get 6x squared, and 6x will multiply when minus 1, you'll get 6x minus 6x you'll get, and then 3x squared plus 6x squared, you'll get 9x squared minus 6x. So this is my dy over dx, or you can say derivative of the function whatever we had got, we solved from the product rule. Here we are done, right? So we'll be doing some more few problems that will give you more better idea to solve derivative of any function using product rule. Alright, but not any function actually, depending on the situations which one is appropriate, we use that one. But if you want, you can solve something like this also, like first multiply by this 3x squared to x, and then to 1, you'll get here like 3x to the power 3, 3x cube, and then minus 3x squared. Right, now you can solve individually also this, like if you if you divide this individually, what you'll get, 3 times 3, that will be 9, power rule, I'm using power rule, 3 times 3, 9, x to the power 2, and here you'll get like 3 times 2, that is 6, and x to the power 2 minus 1, that will be 6x. Again you're going to get the same. So here the question was saying actually we have to find out the derivative using product rule, that's why I'm using this one. But you can use anything, you can use here like power rule also, and whatever you feel appropriate, use that one. But the question had said actually ordered right? We need to use only product rule, that's why. Okay, so actually we are doing some good examples and good practice for the product rule. That's why I will be solving 5-6 more problems using product rule, and I hope after that you will be perfect in product rule. We'll be meeting in the next video. Bye bye.